Apple's gearing up to make waves with its iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, teasing a major shakeup in design that's got everyone buzzing. The biggest chatter? A completely new take on the iPhone 16 Pro's camera look, drawing inspiration from, believe it or not, fidget spinners. Imagine a camera setup that's more playground than professional, with all the lenses connected in a circle for that distinct fidget spinner aesthetic. But wait, there's another twist. Another design features a triangular glass panel behind the lenses, throwing off serious YouTube Play button vibes. Of the two, this one's got a more polished feel to me, though it's all still speculative at this point. Despite the rumors, Apple seems to be experimenting with some bold ideas for the iPhone 16 Pro lineup. Switching focus to the front, the dynamic island feature looks set to stick around. Meanwhile, the base iPhone 16 and the 16 Plus might sport a vertical camera setup, keeping in line with the leaks we've seen. The real revolution might be happening under the hood, though. Apple is betting big on AI with the introduction of the A18 chip, promising an AI neural engine NPU that could transform the iPhone's generative AI capabilities. This move could mark a significant step forward in Apple's tech, potentially offering some cutting-edge AI features. What do you think about these potential innovations for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max? Is Apple breaking new ground, or is it a step too far? Share your views in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. Catch you in the next one.